take some bites? Maybe he didn't eat the whole thing because he had so many cookies. Bring it here, you can bring it here, you can open it. Bring your stocking, put it on the rug.
Sorry, Dolly. Sorry, Dolly. I can't open up the present.
What?
I can't open the present.
Yeah, you can.
These presents?
Uh-huh.
Let's take the cup of, the milk.
Oh, he must have put the cup in the sink when he was done. He's a good Santa.
What's that, Christine thing?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Let's see the little moon. A snowman candy. And a gun. Oh no! A reindeer. A cookie.
Wow.
And a lot of stuff. Hey, the little one.
Wow.
I got a little antenna on it.
Wow.
And a big one. So I guess. Puppy.
A puppy? He knew you wanted a puppy.
I want a puppy for Christmas. Can I open?
Everyone, honey.
What's this?
I think they're all for Ellie. All the red ones are Ellie.
Ready for Mommy.
Uh-huh.
How can I know what I just wanted for Christmas?
He knew. Neat. Cool.
Oh my God!
Wow.
This one too?
Yeah.
All one?
All the red ones, yeah. What is it?
Play-Doh. Lego.
Cool.
That's these presents.
Now those are for Mommy's friends.
And these are for me. Good morning.